Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakalai terik mentau naitung arajarkat kendai. Kayeng syari bahaklia do jong kari India kata ke Supreme Court. Kalapun benar ya ke jingshim bisar ke batamai hak baidai bat ke kamti yo mar pok hendau hak ni ke jela Meghalaya. Kamtam udoyong ke balasak hang no na ke jingti doyong house nam arajarkat sao hak ke yeng syari National Green Tribunal. Ke Supreme Court hak ke jingshong bisar hak ni ke sengi. Kala keren syai babarok ki mar pok hendau hak ni ke jela Meghalaya kidai ki nong kenti jong ki jai bin riu lom jong ni ke jela Meghalaya. Bat kinong sosnong kidan ya kahok yala ujong Umar. Wadlah ke Supreme Court kala keren syai ba Umar pok hendau hak ni ke jela udai unong kenti jong kitra jela. Henry banti ya upat hap hi banyai kat kun ki kendon jong ke Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957. Ba ka yeng sari kan saweng no ya ke jingkhang ti doyong onda ka jela Meghalaya kalayo ya ke mining plan. Ban khamsha shushu halor kani ka benta hak ni ke juga sengi ba ka yeng sari kala keren ki kintien layo ro banya keren ba usembot menteri rang ba ka jela uba Preston Tensong ubala pot turai ru ba ka jing penbena ke Supreme Court ya kara jong ka hak ni ka sengi kadai ke jing simkhia bat ka jing tresitom jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ke balai lam de ka seng NPP.
Today, I should say, it is so historical to the government of Meghalaya as well as to the people of Meghalaya, I should say, because today morning, the Honorable Apex Court, Supreme Court of India has given an historic judgment, and it is a landmark for the people of Meghalaya. I think all of you know, when we go back to the year 2014, NGT came down so heavily on the issue of coal mining that has happened time immemorial, and they totally banned ultimately. And 2014, 15, 16, 17, 4 years of people suffered a lot. And in 2018, because the previous government, which was known as MUA government, they did nothing. They were just sitting idle on the table and they talked big without doing anything. So ultimately, the moment NPP-led government, in the name of MDA government, we took up this issue very seriously, and we took up this issue, as I said to you, to the Honorable Supreme Court. Okay? To the Honorable Supreme Court. So ultimately, today, that's what I mentioned to you, today is so historic judgment given by the Honorable Supreme Court, where the land has been confirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court that the minerals and its services, as far as Meghalaya state is concerned, belongs to the people of the state, belongs to the owner of the state of Meghalaya. And all these years, as I said to you, everybody, they were concerned, they were so restless when they talk about mining of coal. Because I think you remember the previous government under the leadership of Mukul Sangma. Once upon a time, even he submitted all the papers to the Ministry of Coal and to all the connected ministries, which he proposed that mining of coal should be transferred or should be handed over to MMDC. And you know well, MMDC, yes, it is a state government public undertaking, but if you talk about transferring the whole activities of mining as far as Meghalaya state is concerned, meaning it tantamount to transfer of ownership to the MMDC. Okay, so therefore MDA government under the leadership of Sri Conrad Sangma, being the chief minister, the day one he took over as chief minister, We went down to Delhi so many times, unaccounted, I should say, and we met so many ministries. And not only that, we strengthened even our legal expert team as far as this issue is concerned. So ultimately, today I should say that people of Meghalaya, when we talk about the issue of ownership, number one, the issue of ownership now remains with the stakeholders, or I should say with the tribal people. That is number one. Okay, when you come back to the ruling, to the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court today, well, as far as mining of coal is concerned, yes, MMDR Act is still applicable. When I say it is still applicable, meaning certain statutory laws, like if you talk about the issue of environment, if you talk about the issue of safety, people of the state has to comply these particular issues without fail. That's why the judgment today says that mining of coal will be allowed, provided mining plan is prepared and then put up to the state government, and the state government will send back to the government of India, and government of India will vet that mining plan, and after that it will come back and people can start mining of coal. This is number two. And number three, right from 2014, the order of the NGT has been set aside by the Honorable Supreme Court. That 100 crores also, what happened was, that 100 crores, in fact, NGT said that 100 crores has to be paid by the state government. Okay, that has to be paid by the state government. But the Honorable Supreme Court, what it says, Supreme Court says that state government, why should we burden to the state government that 100 crores? Now 100 crores should be taken out from that fund, special fund already created for reclamation, which is known as reclamation fund, and this will be taken out from the reclamation fund already collected, and this amount will be sent to the Central Pollution Control Board. Okay, that 100 crores, and this 100 crores, Central Pollution Control Board, and that 100 crores should be done specifically for Meghalaya on the issue of reclamation. You remember, I think that time when transportation was allowed, I think 3-4 times transportation was allowed right from that NGT time, okay, till the Supreme Court time. So that amount has been collected from the coal dealers, meaning from the coal miners. State government is well ahead now. In presumption that we will be able to get a favorable judgment from the Honorable Supreme Court, what we did was, we already engaged with the public undertaking, central government public undertaking. Two agencies were there. One is CMPDIL. The full form of this organization is Central for Mines Planning and Design Institute Limited. This falls under the direct supervision of Mines Ministry. And the second one is MECL, Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited. Okay, and this corporation is being directly under the supervision of the Ministry of Coal. So these are the two agencies who will prepare all the detailed mining plan on our behalf, and now they are on the job, and within a short time from now, we will be able to bring them, and then we will work it out. We'll start preparing the mining plan on the ground. Banning on coal mining, and that was done by the MGT. That was one issue. But when you talk about the mining policy, that is different issue. This is for the long term. This is for the long term solution. Mining policy, yes, we need to have mining policy, and mining policy will be in place, no doubt to it. But at the same time, I would like to tell you that the historic judgment given by the Honorable Apex Court today, I'm telling you, I'm so happy, and people of Bigla, I'm sure they are also so happy, because the ownership issue, the ownership has been confirmed by the Honorable Apex Court. Those extracted coal, because we already filed the affidavit, and the total amount of this coal is about, I think, almost 40 lakhs, 36 or 37 lakhs. I don't have the exact amount. Okay? 37 lakhs metric ton. So the Honorable Supreme Court says these extracted coal should be auctioned by the Coal India. Okay, let Coal India auction this extracted coal, meaning the old stock, whatever we have. Maybe it is 37 or 40 lakhs metric ton, whatever we have. That is number one. And then Coal India, once the auction has taken place, this amount collected from the auction should be transmitted to the state government fund, and the state government will have to reimburse it to the miners.
But the rate, who will decide the rate?
Sorry? No, the rules to, that's what auction will be done. Auction meaning the standard prescribed norms will